MykrowaveTv.
Big up your sound man, them will spend their 500 US and then 400 US with Shalam. I appreciate love all of the item. Remember, I pussy when I be a beg, they want to beg out my talent and anything with fuck body. And God bless everybody with talent and they want to beg out for me one. And I utilize for them. Big up all I really go them way. I give her thanks. No shit in a plate business when I depend. I want to work for doing at 2 o'clock to you soon get your work, big man. You don't have to call me phone either. I'm sending the money, me not each for doing the work. But I'm not chicken me a jerk. Anyway, when I go out with Naimania people, can be this rise up back again now. I want to say I go on, quick and fast. We are going with Selassie, our favorite grandpitney. And I see your portal open, my yard with the place in one part, you know, I can't tell you, you know. Second in command. I don't know who the big pocket boy that them I talk about. 20 batting about multiple kids. Bomber clad, ram goat, billy goat. I don't know who put him in command, you know. I don't know who give us a 2 man for the bird paper to check him out. That's why he can't come clean. I don't know who put him in command. And I said, go call big man. You can't call big man. Hey boy, go make on the mother proud, eh? That's how I can't tell you. How you ganja you have no Shalam? Look if you have no ganja in the car. Blood pressure, you know. Alright, I want a cup of this, you know. I be the past place go around, I say we cook a one pot in there, man. I don't know how I go on a long time in there. The amount of people I call me name when I look traction, me can't come out a car. Me I tell you, them a release me phone number, them a release me GPS. I don't know what else will they release. Who now release? Who no find a pan? I no find nothing we can read it. This thing they don't sell it up. Me I give up my phone number for free, you know. And the worst thing, if man they release me number, alright, you no crap on the message and take out the message and left phone the message. You no show a message on that, you no read it and beg me. Me no want this close, because everybody beg. Me no beg, but you no beg, because you no day I beg it every day. But my God, man. If man the way I make call me my lord, what kind of man they tell me say they want to suck me cock on this and they want to make me free promo and show to. How can I mean like that? I don't decide to test a be a guru me want to talk about you know. Be a guru. My man tell me say they want to suck me cock and what kind of nasty man like that man them don't have on the platform and they say me hey no hand follow me bro no but just cut listen me bro. Listen me bro. I don't me try telling you say me no want that fan base the fam. If that be a man that text me, una big shout out, a man that tell me they want. What kind of batty man buckle up man style? What kind of man they don't have a follow? A follow on the bro, I didn't man never communicate with. Me pussy clad. Me say fam, me never say nothing sick, me so to pussy clad. And the man never tell me how send them to you know. Hey, I'm turn over on the blood clot president, because they say our president fuck batty, you turn over that bomb buckle out there. If I know, on the nurse, what kind of man they want to be? Me say, I be a transmission man over there, but I follow him go with them. God boss me. Me say, I told me, guru, I told me black. I told me, see them just black out. Me never have time to speak. I mean, me not time to come back and prove this. Me just tell me where I told. Be a man that tell about last time. Be a sitting and play business. Be a batty man that follow them, guru them. Be a batty man. Me say, not one man call me and was Rasta. Low president is I'll get gunshot and something. Be a man that tell you they want to fuck and suck cock and this. Nah, I don't want them blood clot them people. That's why I'm not play. I'm not do little match up and this. Because I'm not run certain joke, you know. Me no runs, that's why me no run certain joke, bad man. Not even joke, you know. You hear me, I run in a joke there. You never hear me around a bun, me but never then joke there, you know. You Shalam around then joke there. I be a batty man, the funny man platform, so little batty boy then too. Young boy, so little young boy, then I be this kind of big man, I suppose. Me not in a big man, me not children at that time, if you're in the joke, I'm no woman at that time. Yo, Emmanuel, car, so that man, put the man them on car, them and mute them, come on here. The blood clot, never fling out the blood clot, chip out iPhone, because they go on so that, you know. I mean, WhatsApp alone, pan your work. So I don't text alone to work, we say, if you don't want to text, you don't text. But as you call it straight, you don't have to text. Call it right, you don't think I look, iPhone they use. So if you don't think I like, call it right, pussy clot, no. Me not take knock WhatsApp alone and I throw me money. You think me I make two, me tap me money. I be a batty man up on the man in platform, me go with them. But me said that one I look them where I come over there when I squad I could say, yo. Me think man I don't say Rasta. Go suck your mother, Rasta, you go there. Then we regular check them. I be a man I tell me how they want to hide me down. And I be a batty man over there. Me said to my fucker, I'm not the batty man tell me tell me say, I boss me if I lie, me I tell. Me black them fish, they can't comment in us. You understand? They can't comment in us. For me, I tell the truth, the boy drop me number. Can me blacky boy hold on. Me not even have time. Yo, do me not have time? Me not have time to go dig up your message them. That's how much me not interested in it. For last year, I go dig up message. Fam, you, how about him so? Come claim your viral, no go low. I tell you one last time. Sir, it don't make sense you go viral if you can't claim me. You go unhappy, and that I reach you right now, because every man I get bookings, people I get design shoes, man I get clothing store, collaboration, free everything, and you have to claim me viral, me bro. You could have cost till your bumbo clad boss. You have to claim me viral and make it people and say, you're not transmission. And only way you go up there, you can't pass no other way. You not get no other portal no if you walk. Me you say, claim your viral, my boy. Me teach you, claim your viral. You know, nothing else to do. You cost tell the people and tired of you. You can't entertain me. Remember I say style them, and you alone I use my style them. Would that be bad mind if me tell us to stop using the style them? When Squash Man them I use it, Devabrata I use it, Vibes Cartel I use it, Popcorn, me that really bad mind I look around if I say stop using the style them. That be bad mind. Use them, my brother. Creation glorifies the creators. But you say if you really want your viral, you have to claim it like Shalam. Not dead like me, no. Not dead in I show, you know. Not dead in I show, you know. You see how you hide? No dead in a show because you can't celebrate it. They might give something like what Naya get. No dead in a show. Just come claim me viral. If you're born boss right now, this morning, I tell you what you do instead of kick up yourself. You don't notice that me a boots up and me send me people. If you look, most of the people, I find day one of them, they think me tell me people and stop follow you. Yo, the truth, you know, see me people over there talk about they want to suck your cock and this and there you go. Man, we don't do this in the Guru Nation, this fam. We don't have the little waste man, the fam. Now we can't go. We slap the waste man, the fam early. And separate the sheep from the wolves. 1,000 strong, we have over here, so. 100,000 strong. Yeah. I want to do waste things. That's why if you notice, I see my rule, man. We don't even go in the comment section. I see the span some page, screen record a page, a comment, a answer, fan, through your ego, a defend yourself. I lie, make you do that, you know. You see Shalam do this, you see good and this, you know, see it's a screen recording page I run. It's a screen record, a be people scream, a be different screen records, a screen recording page I run, you know. You're a screen recorder, you know. I may try to tell you, you know, you did just like pepper seed them and active them and just that, you know, you don't come claim. It's like how active come claim viral and I run a place and can go play too much and collect. You can't claim your viral. And that's your problem. A PA screen recording them on your page. You know what that? When I take all that there? What kind of word that there? And every man in your get up, I said, me the pioneer. And you have said, be a batty man, come call me then and take that. If me the pioneer, your name, but I don't want a song like where you beg me for no man. You know, send a big, you know, send everything, come where you say you're a bad man, and I tell you, send 1,500 US, man, and I think about him, and diagnose on. I ask him, I beg you 200 US. So if you tell you send 1,500, come, I ask him, I beg 200. I work on a back answer, something like that. Ask anybody else who want advice, if I know them money, them, I tell them. If I know 3,000, 3,500, I just because I'm me with a gear strength, why I say 1,500. Come now get up and take my money, go to and go sit down and buy me tangy and go voice and song for the man. Me a batty man. Think about it good, man. I Shalam this, you know. Think about it good, man. When I tell a lie, they make sense. Because people them watch me years now. People are trying to contact me years now. You see them people where you talk to have I contact Shalam right now. In contact with Shalam right now. And you know that too. That's why you can't even say nothing. The only thing you can do is make up some little monkey story for me. Oh, me a security. Yes, I'm a security. I'm securing myself in a big mansion. Where are you? Are you outside? Are you inside? You see me pass some big short man. Well security man. And then when me go me secure man. Claim a viral young kid man and stop. You can't look a little baby and look attention. There you go, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, you print, you're on a rasta, you see me merch, you can print your merch in a red, green and gold. Me a teacher, you can't tell you for everything. Claim me viral, all you do, every do everything else but claim me viral. You want to claim my viral, and me you want to represent? You want to look like me, you want to sound like me, what you want to do? Because you don't sound like me, you know, you want big empty back pocket mount, you know. That's why I change the style for you and say, hey! Because you can't sound so, you know. You might can get the bass voice, but you can't. You don't have them voice there. Stop it, man. You embarrass yourself. Claim your viral, man. You know, make no sense. It works hard for your viral and you can't claim your bumper clot. I shit in a plate business that. It a go water down, like Sir P. You see Sir P water right down? When last you know what Sir P? I be foreign people watching, because them buy anything, you know. If water right down, dribble right down, I ask you. You could have cussed everybody, you could have cussed because you know, you have got a lie you create. And when I tell you, I go tell lie till they don't remember what you say, and screen record, and you see screen record in there. And them I go fuck you up, you know, because when you tell lie, you don't really remember I lie them, you know. But you see screen record and thing there, it I go fuck you up. Watch out, see what I go on. Me can bet you any money. You gonna tell, you gonna talk lie. You see them what a lie you tell? Alright, you see lie the way you tell? Look how you want and lie the way you tell, I go take you down. Me I bet you any money, say. You lie then them bag a lie the way I make up on everybody. I then see them lie there, because them depend screen record and put you up now, you know. But look how them are going to take you down. Easy. They don't have trouble here, you know. If one will lie the way I tell them, and them they'll take you down. Because one man's head in bed, I saw him laying it. But other than that, if you can't claim your viral, you're not really going with nothing still. Because right now, you have to claim your viral now. People, you see right now, we are moved to virtual reality. We now move to the poster, you know. You know, see a virtual reality. You see me there right now and I talk to Guyana, China, Hong Kong. You think people they want to look on poster? Yeah, Morgan Freeman. I wish Bamba play this. Yeah, Morgan Freeman. We are hacker, yeah, tell the story in the background. Hey? We are hacker, yeah, God. We are hacker, yeah, tell the story on the site. You have to claim your vibe and go see if you're real. Me see I put on a mask and I push out the fish mouth. The mouth look like a parrot, yeah, fish. It look like you have a look fish, you look to you know. You look like a gorilla. You're looking for me there, you know. Why you don't want to show yourself? You have to claim your viral. Unless you claim your viral, we will give man like pepper seed the whole of your traction. You don't even know say screen record and you have more followers. You think you hot? Look by your page, man. I know you don't crack 1 million likes. Pepper seed they hot you. I know you don't have 1 million likes. Or 2 million likes, Shalam there. You did with the 500,000 likes good. So make if you look at shit in a plate the way I follow you. I troll them, bro. NPC. Unless you claim you're viral, nobody not give a fuck about you. You just a big pocket mouth. Wait, let me tell you where you are to really panic up. Yeah, I represent Shalam, but you know, you say to Shalam, put in the work. I mean, I've not work for this. So you think me going to take on the down. You're mad, I will not burn out Batman for me and shit in a plate. Everybody we are burn out of people, we burn out, you know. Why you think me that take you though? That makes sense. Words I use me style them. The only thing we can do is help you. Claim your viral. The only thing we can do is help you and claim your viral. Me can't tell you say nothing bad. Me can't tell you do nothing bad. The only thing me can tell you say I claim your viral. No, me telling you claim your viral, no things say me I tell you say pussy while you're dead. Oh God, man. You see how sometimes your goodness can become fuckery. Me telling you say claim your viral, make the people say, how you say come down now, how you say shit in a plate. For true, and you don't look like what I say. You think me I tell you say suck your mother. And you think me I text it by you. When this is the truth, we are in the matrix. Me don't know me I tell you raw truth. Claim your viral man. You're a celebrity man. You don't want to see your face and shirt. You don't want them make emoji and you like, you don't want nobody sketch you like how they must sketch you up and and make nice funny videos of wipe on that Shalam. You know, you don't want these stuff. You know, like, tell me say that like a star life. I write money alone speed. You don't want to be star life, pussy one. Claim your viral about that stop. What's wrong with you? Me never teach you that to do. Me tell you if you born Batman and sodomite and transmission. Me name tell you if you got born out and go inform on the bad man and they you know, and then go call the bad man name and make them want to kill me. Me tell you that, you know. You see me, I'm not telling you. You see them rush me, I mean not even come here contact or rush me, you know, me wait till them ball out. And you come and do difference, and I want me to bless you. Claim your viral, sir. And left me alone. I shall go. Have a wonderful morning. Advise me again. This is not even constructive criticism, you know. Cause you're not too intelligent, you know. You see, you're not too bright, you know. You're not too Don Snyder, you know, but you're not too bright, you know. So if you understand, you have been broken up like baby food. Me understand. Me have steps. Oh God, man, the amount of receipt me have paid, me can take it down right now. How this done no, but you know how do me know? It's come like me I take the one of me when I'm a warrior them where I help me kill Batty man. Watch it again, man. Watch it pre, you know. Remember, I don't know how you out here born Batty boy and the only two you start on transmission now. I beg you want to go big. You know why you want to get rid of me? You want to go level. You want set it come down now to work towards your pleasing. You know you want beg and do your shit in and play business and you're nasty and fuck your cousin them and fuck your family and people them and that no go on you can't and that can't go on you either. So that's why your problem now, you realize it's either this boy has to boy a problem. But if you take it down, me have to make you burn a fire, man, because you know. I ride fire, you burn. You just use my fire, what you not no fire? You can't light a fire yourself. If fire where you light, where I say, go look at walk. Here why that not go work. That not gonna work for you. You have to tell people go look at walk and beg. Your bad mind, they come like thief when they like to thief in long bag. And you Bible talk about Barabbas we fuck Judas and mix the blood. You have to tell people go look at walk and ask people you have big old blood clot. Hey beg this. Man I go fuck you have to get fuck. You just a cut the line if you go take your fuck. I cut the line if you go take fuck. You just a cut the line if you go take fuck. You thought take fuck a long time, you know, but you cut the line if you go take one different bullying in your bumbo. Kind of make no sense. You tell people go look at walk and see you have bigger hard than the blood clot people where you tell go look walk. They don't say you want to walk. You want more than a bumbo clad work. Can you tell people, say, go look at work like you are Bill Gates. And you have food for the poor, you have to provide. And you come and suck out. No left one TikTok and lock it a lot down, you know. No left here, no more millions of there, you know. And the bumbo clad. The man them pile boss them, fish dog them, and Swiss, but the man them beg out every pussy clot on them. And mad girl Britney beg all send back money and give it. None of you can't make no millions here. He look good batty man run a bit money with the cards on our sweepstakes. He look good fuck batty scamming money. That can't do nothing. All of them money they beg out pile man. Fish market batty man Roger. Fish dog. Miss Triple. The big back when he one of them. If you want to see one of them sit up on the chair, don't want to beard. All of them beg out every year out and you see people that have money. But Perry them and Tatania go up on vacation. Perry want to go in BBL, you know. He make his BBL money. He get one of them money. They don't know what they are killing, put nothing left on ya. And they just as crumbs, they don't war over crumbs. You see, I'll put us them all slime jump out and me tell, hey, big up slime. I only you make it advice. I'm seeing take it with a passion. And Tony and make fashion. Me I go big you up youth. Go over YouTube and go vlog you and your woman. You have a good thing. You will work. And you don't have your people them. Come out of my belly mucus. Yeah. Them beg out everything youth. Nothing left here. So if you not kill up on the blood clot, sell for what crumbs. I want for crumbs to pussy clot. You see man them beg out transmission bars come ball and beg out the vest. We want the name Perry and Tatania. Then go on like them there. None of them not like man now woman. The two of them have 2-part cover, 2 transmission. Then beg you out and gone. No blood clot left here for now. I kill up on yourself over about no one run. You see I like TikTok out lockdown. You don't come like a pussy clot either. Before you try to become somebody in a real life. See, put us now have $1. Put us a slime barely make you out. And right now, I'll get in a struggle too. Because he can't save $1 for save your life. You come like them science into pussy clot. I run transmission him. Me don't know how he can't save $1. He beg till from now till he can't save $1. God, me don't know why he'll pay no. Because God try with you much bumbo clot time. I don't know over your wife and nothing left. Man, why you know the money? Nothing left over here. I don't know where you come here and done when it have done. I kill up yourself. For what? For crumbs? I want the bumbo clot. My lad, I can like your barn. I just see that you're born to pussy clot. The man come here and war everybody. Like, I want for crumbs. You can't make nothing for this again. What you can do, I've got viral and claim your viral and do 2 local promotion thing. You know, get local Calabar people if people like you. That's all you can blood clot do. No more millions. You know, you say make that done with. Me can't tell you. You can't eat that food. Yeah, you eat a food, man, but you have a blood clot. You see, look and get them now, you look like a zombie. Yeah, them Batman and them, you can't rest. The phone now, look at it, pussy clot. %, soon like half. Go get the charger. Man, and they are worried about crumbs to blood clot. You can't believe it. You see how the man I get mad. Woman I get mad, they now make no money, no gift, and I give them. Like gonna give people money if you put on. You know, some people have to work hard and clean shit. Some girl have to sell crutches hard. And have to make all them boss take set of them. Have to fuck her in a kitchen and clean up all type of nastiness. Just to come here and look like somebody if you get a shout out for sending the money. And every time we know want blood, like I give people money if you put on. And the big shit in a bumbo clad plate. And no talent. And then if I use the cloth, they might sell some merch. No. I don't know buy a blood clot food. and blood clot, sheen product, and white man shitting a plate bits, and no buy piece of land. I'm going to kill no pussy one, I don't realize that land can't plant in, I think I was. And no one on the buy piece of Bumbuckler land, apartment, Airbnb don't have Bumbuckler money. I don't see here left, Airbnb gone, a year alone, 10 years you know, look out. I'm a fool, you know. I'm a Bumbuckler fool. I'm a fool, when the Airbnb gone, a year alone, I go see pussy. And the memories them. About millions, they remember the money, nobody know. Hey, let me tell you something. I said, I don't see me not doing the hyping thing. Because I used to make money now. I used to make enough money now when I time. And I making it a pass through me and I can't touch a little thing on tight. And I tell you, say, me galley van, tell me where sit a bumbuckler. Hey, sometimes I remember money them. And see also receipt when me have. Me I wonder what me do with this money. I wonder if me that bone coke to pussy clad. Now when they have jokes with the pan. I wonder if me a crackhead. When me done this money, this a big piece of money. I wonder when. I wonder if me say Shalam, me can't even remember. I say no sir, you can't. My time me say last money. My time you had a blame me say, why me fuck you up? Come me fuck you up, man. We had a bumbuckler, Roman Harry, and ganja sometime, man. And see all some people and company, you will prove, man, and spend off your money, but you just a dip in a bag, man. And dip and a dash your money, man. And when you remember our money, your blood pressure gone up. If you might have strokes, if you might have strokes, we get up a sick crack. Can you answer what you do with that? How will you do with so much money? How much million that man so money? When some man remember how much money and he love his life. And I get and can't get it. And licky chip, man. It licking bumper class chip. And some of them remember the money how they used to make. And there's beside food, you know. I got a load can bumper class help, you know. Me will tell you. I will talk, but now me tell me say I will talk, you know. Me go treat you, me tell you say. Me mal 100,000 me I spend a day. Me I got all bumbuckler every time me and two of me dog them, cause friend, you know where dog them. But when me say, yo, give me fish, give me swim around. How the bumbuckler, me I do it big. And me I tell it to pussy clot. Let me check back and say, Judge, wait, money name don't like chichi. God. Tino done me, I said, then time me know say money another. One time me have all $1 million, me a boy, I couldn't tell me say. And now me know say $1 million come like $1,000 to pussy glad. $1 million come like 1,000 Jamaican dollar. No, not so cheap. But 10,000 Jamaican dollar. Me not too shibly down. $1 million come like about 10,000 Jamaican dollar. Me I tell you that blood clot as you come to God. $1,000 you can't $1,000 $10 nowadays. $1,000 if you want to look at change, you have to carry like a $5,000 bill at a shop and you get back change. Depends on where you want and it depends on which shop. No, you got a shop with $1,000, like a $10 you got a blood clot shop with. God, as your boss is done, nothing left. That even silver you not get back out of that bomb clot. And more money you could have to tell the shop, say when I circle it back, I give me rest. I tell you all the truth, I told you now and take back everything if it's a real shopping. I tell you to pussy clot. But $1 million? Oh God, man. Somebody know say they may eat that. You can't know when someone eat that they make money, you know, just start make money, you know. They call back pocket mount, you know. Anybody who see company and show money all a show. And I draw money per hand and I count money. Now what day they start make money? What day? And they first money this and then good enough for them money. That's why you see them a show you. Because people with money, if a man know money right now, when me have money, not even myself, me don't want to know say me have money. That's how much prefer that money. When me have money, if me can't have money and not have it for me and have me money, how you treat bank them a thief. But if me can't have money and not have it for me and I know say me have money, and that's how me want to know. Me just want to know say me have piece of money can dig up for rainy day. But me not even want to know say me have it. Because I don't know say money. Any man who see I come here and count money, I put it on the table and I show and attack. Where's glad? I first look at money this in my world. In the big old man never hold 100,000 yet in their life. I force him a TikTok begging. Force him a hold one piece of money. Me not ask you. Force him a hold man money. Man with money where I will not even picture we not take a money. Not even picture. Fever. Then their blood pressure, man, when I look back on them, they can't get it. They don't know that. They don't know that. When I look back on all side, I say, bumbuck, I see all like the money there. If you don't mind shop, your pressure gone up, strokes, lick your dog, same time. Same pussy cloud time. Yeah, I said, then when this money are there, where money are gone? You wonder where you do. You have to wonder if I grab them, somebody, you have to wonder. Then pussy wonder when I say, I take money, they just start make money, then you can't tell me nothing. And the first little money this, whether it be 100 million, the first little money this they make. Man, we make more money, we can't take picture. When we look back on that, not even receipt, me don't want to see. Sometimes I hate him, no matter about say, me a man, when I think I'm a Daddy Classics attack. And Daddy Classics I tell me, say, Shalam, you know, say you can't go to a bank and get money or something. Yeah, man, all you have to do is have your ATM paper them. And show them, Mr. Daddy Classics, have your ATM paper them. You not spend the money Classics. How the blood clot you? When me look past some it, my head gone up, my blood pressure rise worse. When me see it, me come here one day for my who draw me money. Who got me one day? And then tell me better me not know me not remember nothing. They say when I remember I would not hurt you. And we don't know. Better me not remember nothing. A bumbo clot. You can't keep receipt. You're mad. Let me see them. My head hot. Maybe worse than my blood pressure. Hot. They have to look one hot, grab a bumbo clad, split for tighten up dreadlocks. I feel mind sharp, one tree, Arizona, back of that and go, one bush go cool out. How would the bumbo clad there, youth? We don't like not near money. We only like no, so me have access to it and we can get it when we want. They have money, people, when they have money, you see people put out some blood clot smile. You have one that say, hey, well on, you could have smile. You see them put out some accent, some attitude, manners. Me don't like them fake something there. Money, man, me don't like power money. Money are more power than blood clot, man, around here. Me see money make bad man have manners. Hello, sir, yeah, me daddy, yes, boss. Big old murderer. I will shit about my clot place I can't before. Money turn people a fool, man. Me tell a man, say, bro, if anything you do, and start and money no, and money started, that now never will go through. If you base on money, for example, one call business, never work. Never blood clot. A enemy you create, your enemy that the man there. I want him, my future enemy that blood clot. Either he more kill you or you kill him. I ask you. No care what kind of something you start. Once you start but on a money basis, you under the blood clot, an enemy that for your life, your future, either you kill him or him have to go blood clot kill you. I'm afraid of people. Me never see nothing. I must your family and your woman. And that no money, that then they can't come out of money, because family take and blood take out, and them they, I don't know, any family neither. A matter of fact, family, I don't think your family if you do no farmer business, unless I want cousin, I want sister, or somebody where you can blood clot, lick him in a bumbo clot face when you fuck up. You know, don't make him can lick in your face. He have to can lick him in a bumbo clot face. Me tell you, because money, you see, money. You know, much of my friend, they miss it turn against me because of money. They never want to know. They don't remember, you know, much of people, girl, turn much of people. It happened, two of them things that happened to me to blood clot. Me think people, when me I gonna know I knew, that's why I say, can't be for money. Once money involved, you know, I tell her, karma that, you know. Once money involved, me I tell us say you put a tamper in our relationship already. Any farmer business, anything we do. Anything, no matter worse, if you try to tell me say it no based for money, and you know no other reason for do it but money. I gone, you come like you fuck up everything. Me just say take what you want fast and go on, you know. Dip in the cookie and go on. Cause me I make your feet still, you know. Take what you want and go on. But don't say me I not continue the blood clot journey here. But take what you want and go on. Dip it, full your two hand them. Take what you want, me I not continue the blood clot journey. Cause me know say money I root. If you don't have talent to create money, worse, if you don't have talent to create money, if you don't have the energy to create money, you know it's a bad mind you go use. Because two things you can't use, you know. Yeah. See, no for the youth right now where they on the hap. We are running down money and now no talent. Just imagine what we have to go do in the future to maintain the money we have run down without talent. Because we can't go in a business because we don't have nothing. We don't have no substance. We don't have nothing as public figures, as entertainers. We don't have to contribute to it. We don't have to bring. We don't have to market. We don't have to sell. We don't have to plant. We don't have to plant. Because we now try work on the little talent on the band with, you know. We begging kill that, you know. You see right now, I better say, if you need that get no money, all I want to find back on the local talent or find a niche already. Me now ask you, bad girl K, Shalam, if you never either beg, I know say you can just come beg. All I want to find a niche already. All I want to find something. May I ask you? But your man knows saying he can come here, cuss, shit pan the up, belch pan the up, and nasty people support him. Bring down him brother, bring down his sister, nasty people support him. You see, we understand this bring down thing, you know. And that me do, but look how me do it. I make fun. We want to call jokes. Somehow we don't get too personal, man. We don't live on the app here. We don't talk about how to sip on the app. We don't live in the app. We don't go in the people's house. Discriminate people, pitney. Listen, that bad mind that, man. We don't need to reach so far. Stay on the app, man. If we can't make two jokes, if we can't talk one way to entertain people, come on for a app. Simple. You can't, you know, you're not an entertainer. You're not a content creator. Most of you can rehearse and plan and ball and then something there. That's content created. And everybody can turn on their live and entertain raw. We get that from. That's why talent, there's a talent come into play. Not for you come on and them things they play out for. This is why Shalam a man like Shalam win. Look how much I want to rise up. Look how much I want to. Nobody. You know, see the evidence. Talent farm. We have talent farm. We don't have nobody. All right. Say for example. The president, we are killing up himself. Say, you want? Say me I come down and you take my space, which I am very talented. Me not see a talent where I use. I'm just I use the example because I'm a boss here, so I have to keep on put you up. Nobody think I take it up. Every time I talk about you, I put you up. Because you burn a fire. Me only I show you say me nah let you up on my platform because you're not on the head. You're kind of dunce. And you reach one limit where you don't know what to do and we are telling you what to do and you're still dunce. And you can't change the narrative of how you stay upon the app. You're going to make people and get tired of you. You can either do that, you know, or you can do what I say, you know. So now your camera reveal yourself and it play off. Everything play off and 9-day thing, boy. If you can't hide same way, if I hide, you want to hide. Everybody know you know. Listen, little Nico. Everybody know you know, bro. Me could have released your phone number to you know. But me I show you say me a guru, bro. Me not go do that. Me I go do that thing and me know some man want to kill you, bro. You me gonna make man try call you and set you up and then to me know say man want to kill a little Nico. You have to think like a big man. I may show you people them don't like you already, but you have to make it people and say you have sense. Remember say when me just fire with a madman them call me to and chat him out and they like you know. Say right now look on them. You see them people that I say at them I say yeah. Because they realize that them I fool and I only fool will be last, you know. I may try to teach you these things for you to put it up. Cause you try. Remember say maybe not teach you. Remember say me can go in on my phone. Remember say you text me on Instagram and not only WhatsApp. You have your disappearing message them in a fam. Me no screen record message, none tall, you know. I wouldn't do that. Even if me have them, me wouldn't do that. That's a liquor boy thing. They we use them thing in a court. Me not have to come prove to her. I did it. Me not do them thing the fam. A liquor boy style. We are soon 40. Me tell them me could have be a father man. Ask your mother man. So now if you understand fam, find a niche. Find a niche. Find a niche. No niche. Until you don't find a niche, there's not going to be nobody around here. No niche fam. Nobody now go book you for nothing. Where a man go book you for? If you come, you go suck your mother. Go look at work. That's not a niche fam. That's not a niche. Why people are going to look work when they have talent? Why people when they go look work when they are entrepreneurs? Why people when they go look work when they want to come out of slavery? Find a niche fam. You know what I mean? No sense. Why people are going to look work when the man will tell them I go look work I beg harder than them? Penny hap. Find a niche fam. I try to teach you for a long time. From 2021 I try to teach you. If me go in and me think them, me know you provoke me that because you want me had you in a one bag of chatting. But listen me bro, you know this for a fact. If me go in and me draft, if me go in and me message them on Instagram, it will take you down bro. Remember say I'm me add you to bling at them and I tell bling and if you had you when me dey on the live. Wait till me come down, me I tell you when we just introduce you. When you just forward with RT boss and you go lick chip with him because you have little money. I mean you're saying go on out. And from then time I cut it off because you see me I burn out RT boss so you go over them. I like two double standard people, you know, so I stomach around man. So from then time I have to drop you bro. Till me RT are saying fuck you and then sit there. Find a niche bro. Until you find a niche. You struggle. You go come like Derek Morgan, them go up here as a batty man. They must say you fuck your sister, your cousin them, you know. But when I really work with hearsay, cause people, me hear you say words on me and not true. But me still tell you to find a niche. You can make something out of it. You can be something out of it, believe me. But if I say a plan to do it, it will run down low. We see better you come. We see man behind scream I try to save Jamaica and condemn himself in talks on things. So none and void things. When I think then when we Sir P talk when none and void, I say cartel will never come out. And when he said that and cartel they are road, all I'm credit gone. Him not have to do nothing, have to do nothing blood clot more. As some of you tell us you lie, them I'll kill you too. Find a niche, bro. From him said that, me can tell you, I used to watch him up until he said that. And from here he said that, and me look, me see go there road. You know what that show me say? No man can judge man, a God. Find a niche, bro. As a young youth, you can make a food and build your mother house and help your family out of it. And me teach you to do this. Find a niche. Shalam. If a Shalam you want to be that you now go big Shalam. One Shalam. Me alone out of this bumble clat. I mean me alone. Find your niche. And no people don't know you for nothing. Find a niche. And me wish you all the best. Cause remember, I may create that character, yeah. I may create your character, whether you like it or not. Me not have to explain it. Everything what you do, sure, Shalam. Me you talk, I just me talking, you can't catch my voice. But all of my slang them I use. Nobody no use my slang them. At first I used to bust it, used to use it. And you take up from bust it, drop flesh, and you take it up. Find your niche. The more you talk about me, the bigger Shalam get. You know see it? The more you talk about Shalam, I bigger me get. The more niggas talk about me, I bigger. Uno chase now. Uno do music with my master. Uno want come in and with me there, you know. Remember me not big pan up here and music me I do. I want to promote me hard. That I want to promote on yourself. When I say me big, I not do nothing what I do for survive. Me not big. Watch out. Me dip on me live about ganja. Right now. The light it. Legal. Me show you. No more fish talk and I do this. Them tell them say they're free their life ban. Cause it tap them money. Every day me up here about ganja. You can't do this. I say I'm president for your hap. Come on, no man. Little boy, a boy, man, and big man, a big man. Stop fooling yourself with the little batty man, them, no man. You know, see, we go against the hards, man, and do everything. You know, see, not even TikTok, you tell what you do. No AI, man. I Shalam this man. Shalam this man. Learn how to live. Learn, man. Because me a teacher. To me know you know what to do. Me I tell you what to do. Reveal yourself. And the people that we decide if they want to put it up. Because me now take it down. More you burn on transmission. And Shalam. Big up the Ghana people. Only pound of me say I check in pound it. This a man that send request. You send request from the start to live and you know decide to come down. Let me see how you be. You never have no name to blood clot, you have transmission. I find something my lord. Beard, so not. All a wash off. Early morning fresh, you know, you feel rejuvenated. Fresh, like you live, you know. Debbie, your transmission? I don't like a transmission, Debbie. Hello, Debbie, how are you? No, we not team up with Blamdem. Blamdem can't be trusted. Blamdem are Judas. Yeah. We not trust Judas. We not part with Judas in our squad. Judas bad mind, you see. Judas the bad mind, you know. The man they got bad mind for everything. You see man a bad mind, me for true me can't show my face. Yeah, too much gate, you know, whether we can't power in the squad, they be a shit in a plate. You tell say, man, release me number. And all I man them text me, not one I man them text me. I swear upon my life, not one I man them text me. Over 5,000 calls and not one I man them text me. I say, Shalam, go suck your mother, you go dead or something like that, or wait till they book you. Every man I tell me they want to fuck me, hide me cock, suck me cock. I be a batty man over the farm. I couldn't believe fam that fan base the man have. I be a batty man over a man fan base fam. I mean not tell no like girl, I told me not scream, I wouldn't even scream shot them thing I can show no. But if you don't know Shalam, I know me no cap. I be me say not one man I say we are gunshot anywhere the rasta or me think say them thing they fam. Bro, I be a little man and I'm a big man. Some of them are big man too. I talk all I change their voice. Shalam, I want to fuck you, you ready? I say, the bum buckler, then look at them man, The dog have over there talk to, bro. Bro, me say, bro, me can't, me couldn't me not believe, bro. The phone goes out, Guru, man. Me not telling like Guru. Me take out the blood clot. Nobody can call straight. WhatsApp and my bookings, cause you know people. Me tell you, fam, me say God bust me. Me not no reason to tell like Guru. At first when you hear me I talk about this and actually it just happen. Me say me wouldn't even think say that this week. I be a man, not one I worry them that say Shalam. Oh suck your mother, yo Guru you for dead. I go not one man. I be a man that say they want who no want free promo, want shout out at talk about they want suck cock. I want dog, me say how can a bumbo clad? Dog. Yo, now have to be careful on the youth. Me I tell you no. I have to tell you the youth, and I have to be careful, go them. Be careful. Some boy a batty boy here. Some boy a batty boy, me I tell you the truth, my fam. Some boy a batty boy, girl. Me I tell you the truth. Me no run joke, you know. Me run, me look a mustard them, and I burn out some batty, but you see them type of joke, the fam. Me no run them type of joke. Even if I tell man if you can't do that, me no run them type of joke. That's why me I show you say, me I tell him what to do. I stop them because yo, them thing there, a dead man dead for them thing they youth. I set him, I set up. Them, yes, let me tell you something, President. Then you, the way you have to do that, if I saw you make them go out on the man them page, you'll get a gunshot in your mouth. Me can't tell you brawling. I don't know me give you, but me just tell you, because you set up yourself. I said so comment section, set up a youth them for dead around here, you know. That's why I say come claim you viral and stop move like you're a fool. Okay, if that you have, you look what the people them where you follow you do. Man I lick out your head fam, me I tell you. Man I go lick out, I don't know, me I do it. But me I tell you, some man I go lick out your head out. If I them Batman business you do, you better you send them over there, go tell man, tell them I'll get gunshot or them thing there. But if I that you really send man or tell them say yo go spamming page and them Batman thing there. No fam. The culture not align with them thing there. Gunshot or fire, me I tell you. So you better you make sure you tell them to do them thing. They make sure them do it after their own. Cause I don't know so much Batman me, bro. Me say Batman like fuck you, bro. I mean nah tell no lie, bro. Me no cap. Me never go scream record nothing for sure because me no them thing and me just have brawling me I tell him, cause they know. Be a Batman, bro. Not one of you them are gonna say him for president, you for come not even that me no hear from. Not even that me no hear from. Not even that me no hear from. That's your phone, go dash with your mother big pussy batty boy. Suck your mother boy, dash your phone. If you like me I hear that. Go cut out your mother pussy way cut and dash away. You know dash with that phone the way you are, where you suck pussy and put a suck pussy mouth pan. You know dash with that. Dash your phone, you put a suck pussy, a suck cock mouth pan, and that if you go bum buckle out, dash way. Your phone shit up. Your bum buckle out. Bro, you know, so me never want nobody find him, man. Nothing. Can't chat him out, that, you know. I waste of time for y'all find, man. I waste of time, that, you know. Can I say I waste of time, my energy, and God time to pussy clad. We waste the time for y'all to chat down all them a big waste man. You see, man is a big waste man. But I just show you, him can become somebody from being a waste man. Yeah, alright, big spoon man. Him tell you him not important. I know him too. Me literally I try save him more and try help himself destruct. I truly not get the concept. Me just tell him so if I saw him I deal with other people. Like for example, me hear my call some man name and I do some other because everybody name my call. So me I hope you know do something there from. Cause them thing they literally a Batman style them there from. A man I go pray as a Batman. Cause you be a Batman I come and represent you.
Some man have to pray as a batty man fam. I find them that the big spoon man. But say we are general in the man. I say I eat that then man. I say I waste man. I waste man. I want to look a waste man. You know, me can't waste man. You know, I tell you know the type of people them over there right now. So all the man them me say I follow him up. Me I pray them too. Cause what if I look like artist, me say I follow him up. Where I call me name too. Yeah, me black out couple of them, you know. Can't find me see on the start. If I them thing I wanna support me, I have to slap on the 6 and cut from side out. Yeah, bro, but me I tell you, I be a batty man, me say bro, not one of man then call me and say, Shalam, we make a run way again and make a fine here and nothing, bro. I be a batty argument. Be a batty, I come like when the man they want this a man now, then just go try dress up like you want no for a man them I do. Man them put up girl picture and I text me like girl. Like them take my friend for pussy, you know some man, you ready? That the man them are doing a fam. I say, like they don't see how me deal with the shit and I play girl in my life, then imagine you know. Him man them a put on girl picture and I text you. Hey, and like, yo dog, or yo, me say yo. That's why me have a lefty bomb buckler town from a bush me I go. I be a batty man in a city. I be a batty man in a Kingston city. Every city we have in city, I be a batty man. Every me not call no name. Every one of them we have in a city in there. I be a batty man in there. Cause me not call no name for no feel get nothing offended. Do not think about a blood clot city them. I be a batty man in a city fam. Him man them have girl picture and I text you as girl fam and I lyrics you. What kind of scamming cause that you know? Jessica Allen, you know. That's why it gets so normal. Cause you have to turn on a girl and talk like a girl forget man money. Say normal a man girl, he does normal now, he come like suck your mother. No, man, like suck your mother. A man a lyrics here. Alright, a man want to set it up now. A man better profile and talk like girl and lyrics here. And say, send all your cocky picture and send get all in girl pussy in the care. Take all in girl pussy picture send come here. You know, have to be mindful, you know, go me. I tell you, you know. You know much of them things, much of them they do have. Yo, may I tell you blood clot truth. Before a boy then rush me, the transmission them, a be a threat me used to get. Rasta y'all get lick, Rasta y'all get gunshot, Rasta this, Rasta that. You see after they rush me, I may survive. Me tap get gunshot, I be a man want molest me. I be a man, Kid Ralph. Be a Kid Ralph. Be a Kid Ralph. Man I take me say me fam be a Kid Ralph. Young Kid Ralph, old Kid Ralph, I be me I say what? It better no one blood clot kill me, yeah? It better no one kill me. Me work with a part there. It better no one because all the way have to dead soon. The man say promises are dead to every man. The man never say fuck parties are dead to every man. It better no one bomb clot kill me. It better no one kill me. Me I telling the truth. Me I go back with my sanity too, but see him like how me come here and see him when me I go back with me innocence. Like him and them I say, you know somebody I say, yo, you don't get the injection yet, like when Corona that run, man I give out free Corona, free KC if you take an injection, like the say Rasta, you alone don't get the injection yet. And that the man them I say, bro. And that the man never say, like, me alone to get me vaccine. Me don't want no vaccine. Me stick to vaccine. Me don't want no bomber clad vaccine. Me not even go a doctor. Me never a doctor, you know. For me born, me not no doctor, you know. Me not sick, you know. Anytime you see me sick, at one time me a sick and dead, you know. And pass on, you know. And drop flesh and go to my father, you know. Me not sick, you know. Me not no doctor, you know. Me never have a doctor for me born, you know. Me never go lie down in a hospital bed, you know. Me afraid of everything when you injection, you know. If you want to see me run like a blood clot, you think a gunshot, you think a gunshot, me afraid that, you see, it does make me see a doctor push up on the eagle and lick it 2 times and go so. And this jump out tight like when me a bust off for me girl. Just make me see, just bumbo clot, make me see that. And you say me not gone like a bumbo clot kite. Me no nothing in juking business and any juking a go on and me a juke a pussy. Juke you with me knife, juke you be a girl with me cocky and me no juking. Me a bumbo clot tell you. I saw me left it, see the bush me there, see it? Me left it bumbo clot city give the batty man. And me realize like when I said me not get a rasta, I must say, you know, so I'm alone. I'm alone, like, you know, on team up and talk and say, I'm alone, you know, because we who? We don't fuck everything else. We don't fuck fish dog. We don't fuck Swiss dog. We don't fuck like TikTok boss them. From the big one to the little one. We don't fuck pile man. We don't fuck gay them. We don't fuck slime. Slime fuck Alex girl. I want to go fuck slime now. We don't fuck everything, boy. Now bumbo cloud catch me like this. The fuck all the youth, the little youth and me have a bunny fire. The little president and me have, you know, long me have him a try with him. Me tell him if he do a long and now he find the niche, he starts to come down and take him and fuck him. Have him to be a fuck up on him. And then I get Shalam. Blood clot, I'm not for sale. Fuck all that man them. Me better say anytime he go viral, he have to come up like a wine. If him no wine, no God. If anytime Mr. President go viral, if he no come here come wine and dress up in a dress, no Shalam no there. Anytime when the president go viral, if him no come wine and dress up in a dress, me come down in peace. Tell him say if a man me word me go with them. Anytime him turn on in camera, if him no wine, I remember when rest in peace, Bossed. Remember when Bossed just started come down now and I burn out fish dog. And the man get a little 10,000 followers. My blood clot the next week, he man foot them a move like when he catch. When ego, when cold, as I see him foot them, I say blood clot. I fish dog syndrome that you know. When I see foot there start tremble, I say bumbo clot. I see jump that you know, if I see that, I don't say, yeah man. I eat that, I say, yeah, and they say, she's not playing me. When I see foot there start tremble, I say bumbo clot. Fish dog win again. Everybody come me say the bumbo clot. Hey, one of the biggest inspiration for TikTok still a fish dog, you know, you can't grow that still, you know. What do you think me always I take him down? Because the amount of people who want to come up and be like him. From Swiss dog to Atto, to everybody come. All the girls them if you dance, a tremble and a flash and enough. The fish dogs. All the girls them if you wine, come impersonate fish dog. Fish dog are one of the most biggest TikToker. But I tell you the truth, they not give me credit. But Shalam give me credit every time. You know that. And telling go suck him mama after. Big batty man that cheating up the transmission. But fish dog, rather than come and shake up foot and wine. I feel cheating up the I say. What if I gift of her? I don't follow nobody. I don't follow that even mother. But even mother, I don't follow partners, bamba clad. I will lead pussy. We don't follow people. I don't give a fuck who are the part. I lead. We don't follow people. Say if I follow y'all, look, we have a 17 gifters batch. Move your pussy. Alright, I don't say this. Say don't worry about that. You have too much. You have a gifters batch and nobody that follow you. You have a problem. You want somebody to follow you. Listen. You want somebody to follow you. See there. See you get a follow there. I will see somebody's follow there. They say them a whole bunch of people there, big shit. About 40,000 on down there, so. TikTok said, me can't block so hard. But what me I go do? A batty man there enough. And 44,000 righteous man there. So if so much batty man there, a 40,000 batty man that already. And bumbo clot out of 3 million people. The pussy clot. 40,000 batty man in Jamaica already. Out of 3 million, and I would just get started in a year. Revelations. When the revelation start, you know. All truth come out, you know. Anything when I do, this will come to light, you know. And a 40,000 Batman the black already to pussy clan and transmission. We don't know how much girl in it. Revelation. And we just start here. Just one transmission types now a while ago. You better make sure I know fuck your type in a comment section. Hey, me I tell you bomb clad truth. Me no believe say this real still, you know. Yeah, cause you see from the country, you know, me feel like say Matrix there in a town there, you know. Something go in a town there, you know. You see that me feel like I couldn't get rid of the chicken them, you know. You want to know, me I send out a message. 2 messages me I send out this morning. Me I send out one now to all chicken place. Cause what day me make a look circle already. I mean, don't know how much I can smell with the nose, you know. But me I make, you know, and this is the people's. Remember me a chicken man, a long time I not send out the message. Tomorrow, a Saturday. Tonight I got a chicken place. Alright, so I make this short, very short. I'm interested. When I eat too much chicken, that's the first thing. Nothing can tap on if I eat the chicken still because it's spelled upon. But when I eat too much chicken, the fibroids, them get up in on the belly with the soda up on the top. And then tip a little thing in the head because them have to thin it down and kill it off before 2035. Anyways, listen to me now. You have one place to come in Jamaica when named Bird Shack. All I want to come down here, you know. Bird Shack, Chester fried chicken. We had that one name. And nobody don't ask me how I know about chicken. $1 million question them. I don't have the money right now. So if just keep out the ears and listen with me, I say. You have Bird Shack. You have Chester fried chicken. You have Popeye's chicken. You have KFC chicken. And which other one again? Tell me another one. One more there, I know. I have Wendy's. Wendy's fried chicken too. No, Wendy's deal with. Jamaica will never eat Wendy's. No man got Wendy's in name. I have to change the name. Better the name is Prentice. I don't care how a man go name and talk about them and name Wendy's. That will come down. Anyways, when them not frying no chicken. Not Burger King. Mother's, Island Grill not frying no chicken. Island Grill a jerk chicken. Mother's fried chicken. So we have Tasty's fried chicken. So we have. Hold on, 1 second. Don't put traction on the light. Go and get out the milk is out of there. Let me see what we have now. Juicy beef fried chicken. Alright, so we have Wendy's fried. We have, come on, name them out now, make it so much we have. Chip box. Chip box. Missy chip box too. You have the few rasta. Hold on, I don't take time. But we say we have Popeye's fried chicken. See? We have KFC fried chicken, Zin. We have Chip Box fried chicken, Zin. We want them in name, Bird Shack, Zin. And we have Chester fried chicken. And we have mother's fried chicken. No, we're not talking about cook shop fried chicken. We are talking about franchise them. We cook shop fried chicken them for one different day. We are talking about franchise them. See? I mean, I'm telling you what I go on with them. And we have tasties. And we have mothers. How much that we have in total? Tell me. More know how much that we have in total. And so the bottom man, them black the bottom man, we should up the comment section. I don't know when the time man see you, so suck your man, I'm not even calling him. 12 black the bottom man. If you don't want listen, if you don't want to listen, what I go and listen. If you don't type, me I come down in a sense. Just focus on how me I try and stop with the shit and put a distraction, man. Much that we have in total go with them. Seven. We now no more than 7. 7. We have 7. Had you? Alright, don't move. Don't move, bro. Striker, don't move. Long time I don't see you, bro. What go on? Everything alright? Oh, your mother? Tell her I say go suck your mother for me. Alright, so we have 7. We have 7. Alright, here we go on now. Out of 7, which one of them places are not original? Meaning, which one of 7 them are not originality, then just come in our culture. We have to go get rid of them. All I want they will just come, they salt, no bumbuckler, them a kill people fast and run up blood pressure. Chester fried chicken not so bad. Popeye salt, bird shock salt. One of the one a blood clot town they they want more. When name? One of the one a town they salt your fuck. I kill no one kill people. He salt your pussy clot. One of the one a town. Salt like a can. Salt kill your pussy clot. Salt kill you. Salt. KC salt long time, but them a wanna come make KC look like he fresh. KC salt no pussy clot, but them a wanna come make KC look like he fresh. Hero KC salt when I eat too much I eat. But them a blood clot wanna salt kill you one piece alone in a salt kill your car. They come like salt. Hey, we no move in a pussy clot. We no dull. Where I go? I kill no one kill our people. I wanna do salt, me bumbo cloud, you can't smell the salt. What wanna do? Salt. It's one in your bird shack. Hey, move your pussy cloud. Where you go with that? Hey, move your pussy cloud. That's salt your fuck. Here the one of the one we don't when I go red hills, we just open. Where one when I go red hills? It's salt. Where them one of them when you go with the red hills? It's salt. Hey, listen to me, no more. That's like when they make KC look like a fresh to blood clot. When they make KC fried chicken look like you fresh. And that's why it's KC line full up so. All the jerk chicken man, them we not salt the bumbo clot chicken then too. The jerk chicken man, them we not use much salt and blood clot pepper. I want the two now and make it chicken so good for selling. Salt and pepper that kill the bumbo clot people them. When I want the worst, I can't like gonna eat up. He can't like KC killing no confident to bumbo clot. He jerk chicken, every jerk chicken salt that kill the people them. Salt, everybody are complaining about salt. He fish them, so in I fish place them, we fry fish salt. How am to know? Salt, every blood clot thing salt. I don't know, I don't lie me I tell you too. Salt, mafia say, oh salt, baba. Salt, I kill the people, them, man. When I put so much salt, what's the plan? I don't know, one like you go there one time and it's salt. Every time you go salt I kill you to, you like you just salt to pussy clot. If you know you eat one time I say, alright, this salt get them, me pussy clot. Make freshness get to it, I pat them now, man. Put back freshness, make freshness get to it. Too much salt I get to it, I pat them. But now do too much salt. Me pussy clad. It's the salt that kill you. If you don't mind salt, your cock can't rise a morning time. Salt. Your blood pressure. High. You don't mind salt, your cock can't rise a morning time. Your blood pressure high. Salt in a banana chips. One time I used to buy banana chips. And the salt used to balance. I don't want to. I'm planning. I'll kill you, I kill you. I'll kill you. Everything's hard. Bigfoot, every blood clot thing, royal crackers, everything's hard. I planned this. Nobody can tell me nothing. Salt can't get with so. Not even seawater, no salt, or bumbo clot. They say one time you could have said, alright, it's all get to it, and then upon highlight that me pussy clot. And the pit in them, you look pit in my bar, the salt, they don't want no more. He fry salt, he biscuit salt, every bumbo clot thing salt. How can I plan this? I watch the hungry people, let me know. I hear man know, Euro salt work. Salt no kick in when you're hungry, you know. Yes, when you eat 2 pieces or 3 pieces, just at them time they full your blood and you start tasty, you smelly, you sneeze out. You know, kick in same time, you know, when you're hungry, you know. That's so salt word, you know. Food with salt, you know, you eat, you know. And when your belly think your belly full, you know, at them time they start tasting salt. And that's how you food salt, so. And time they fuck up all 3/4 of food already, you know. Notice all the soda they get more acidic. I not to drink acidic soda for a long time still. I kind of cut off that. That's why I used to stick to my Arizona. And time that blood clot happen, I only do Arizona because it's fresh. Anytime Arizona, I don't like nothing too sweet and nothing too salt. Anytime Arizona, I move like you want to get salt on this bumbo clot and I'm done with it too. Just suck your mother, you feel like you salt me up. So I'm going to look on ganja. Beat right now, shut up. 19%. You don't even like ackee and saltfish. Talking about you don't even like ackee and saltfish. I want to get rid of that, you know. None of your ackee and saltfish. When they tell us that we're national dish, you know. Which menu board you can go up on right now and see ackee and saltfish? Take a picture and send me and come and talk to me. Any which pound of day I buy lunch or breakfast, take a picture of the menu board there. How they not have a national dish on the menu board? I will not take for bumbuckler shit in a plate. I don't sound like a wicked man and fuck body like dog, man. I want to write the rules and regulations in Jamaica. Eh? What's the Shalam? Which menu board? Well, last one you see I can't saltfish for menu board. The only place you can go get I can't saltfish right now in a hotel them. And because white people don't really know that chicken is a national dish. I fucking idiot them. Anything they hear on the news, them believe. The fucking babu. Every menu board where you go on right now, if I have fried chicken, a brown stew, or curry chicken, or mala chicken, or where other chicken name? Barbecue chicken, or you want to name home style to bambaka, you want a chicken. And nobody don't know which one come first. If I know if I chicken or egg, and a chicken is a national dish. Pay shit in a play business. I tell me about ackee and saltfish. I do ackee and saltfish. You better not fuck with the chicken more ackee and saltfish. At least you don't know what chicken look like. Every day I tell people the truth. Who I like me like that truth, me I tell you. You better not fuck with the chicken more than only fuck with the because nobody knows saltfish. With all that junk right there on saltfish no pussy. Everything else have head. That's all in national fish head down the head. That's all every other is bad fish. Parrot have head, duck fish have head. Every fish have head. I'm not telling everything. So make answer first. Don't be very foolish. We don't know how they are so smart. That's what I know say. If they really so smart. If they really so smartest people in the world, still we are got it. Because we are telling to Blamdem. So what we do out here, so we don't know how we be the smartest people. We don't know everything, we don't know why that chicken, how they know what's all the pan salvage. I would love it to eat the yeah, let me take my thing. Let me take my thing with. Let me take my thing with you. I'm going to shoot my head upon the oh, they could have it. Go ahead. I'm going to go out and judge shopping. What the fuck you are going to do? Everybody are going to shit in a baby. In nationals, every other else fish have a head. Derek Morgan have head. Gaden have head. All the other fish where I walk, when nobody that eat have head. And the fish where everybody are national dish. It not no head. I want the bamba clutch to them. I want to do with the head. Every other else swim around have head. The land fish they have head. The water fish they have head. So when saltfish head, they are a national dish. All the love shit in a plate business that we can pussy old people. This is the fuck you go on this up. Fuck you must go on this up. Give on, just Ben Selassie your favorite God Pitney. What you think? What you think? You must have changed me, no, glad every take me things with joking or Shalam. Tell me we again, I mean, I go like, Mr. That sleep out of this bumper clad tail. Sit down and play this is a winner. Every other else fish, Mr. The man that discover some new fish now, and they have head. Fish have with human face. Mr. them find fish with the human face. I say, yeah, man, a fish. They have horse fish, swordfish, and all of them fish have head. All of them fish have head, you know. And the fish now where Jamaican national picnic they supposed to go eat. In children are the future. The fish they not no head. And the bumper clad. Oh, I can't stand this. And the next thing we go with the fish is ackee. When they look, a national dish, but over 80 people, they were wickedest people in the world. Afraid of it. Because they said, it's a poison or it's a wobby. I don't know what. How can a bumper clad? They know we don't got one. And we are got it, you know. And we are got it, I heard, you know. Una bumper clad got in a shit in a play, people. Me bumper clad. You see the name Leviathan. Oh, no name Leviathan head. And him pity them. Oh, green screen. Bumbo clad. I don't know what that one I say. I got to go look it up. However that one. We don't want that come off.
Show you something right now, an idea if you don't go and call me name. Do not stop calling me name. Alright. Do not call me name. Alright. Me a hide. Alright, now worry yourself. Do not stop from calling me name, look a batty boy. Don't call me name, look a boy. Do not call me name, don't you? Alright. If you call me name, if you continue to call me name, you gonna get ugly. Alright. Stop calling me name, look a so good boy. If you go and stop calling me name, call your one of them, tell people them say I'll scammer. I'm not now going to scam me now you come on TikTok a beg. So I'm not alone for the year beg. Eh? Paper. Shalam live a maroon town. Alright? Mr. Shalam. Shalam live a maroon town. Alright. You know maroon town at St. James? I'm over here there, Musty West. One of them down that side. That maroon town. That's for Shalam there. Right now. Shalam moved from Spanish town. Because like WBKI them and the whole of them blood clot when him the drunk them. Must see they run him down. So from that thing run way. Yeah, I mean if Shalam, if I call me name one more time, I tell the people exactly where I live. I have to send a man come fling some big stone over yard pile. Batty boy Shalam. Maroon town, I reach for one down that side, down Mobile side, the maroon town in there. The country part. It's so good. And I hear tell you when I use him in the background say, about bike. Him run there from over there. I'm Mobile, yeah. Look a batty boy Shalam. Can me like proof pint, you know? Me like proof pint. And me proof to no look a batty boy. Me like proof pint. Alright? I like to proof pint. So me prove things to no. Alright? So no go and play with me. I will prove things to no. Claim which viral. Me will like me. It's like me want to go viral too no. Eh? Leave me alone, you.
How I go on, father? You go. One Blamdem in a man.
So look back to go and one them king one. The family name
I say, how should we get this up in the day, father?
now look back to go and them king one of the family name. Baby comes up.
A madman that man. I gave this one in your mouth. I'll give it one the board in your mouth, father.
You go prove some to them, man.
I boy RayMediaGroupNetwork more this. I boy RayMediaGroupNetwork more bring down. The boy look back a boss. Now give him no boss. Yeah man, don't give boy no boss man, father. Like the boy stay as iron balloon.
I'm going to show them something right now. I'm going to show them something. I'm going to prove something to them right now. Right now, I'm going to prove. I'm going to take my blood clot. I'm right it too. I'm going to show them something. I'm going to make girl myself I like them batty boy a youth. So make the one I go and make some man follow me up. Alright. You know I'm going to call me name, bro. And avoid me youth.
The boy a waste man, man. The boy a madman in a real life.
You don't have to tell me that. I know I'm a waste man. But you don't have to tell me that. I know a boy a waste man. The boy a bad man, me dog.
Yeah.
The boy a bad man, send me around here, bro.
Yo, bad boy, where boy location? Where boy location?
Link Worms no.
You don't know so we find him.
Yo, Link Worms, Link India.
You know where we find him, man.
Tell him say thing global, we find him, man.
No, we not follow a waste man that man. I clap me up flapping car.
Alright, for you to low him, we just low him. I want Blamdem, you know, man.
You know that, man?
No other.
Compound.
There, man, I go and hold them, man. Just do you do, man, and go and pick up yourself, see him. You know you go bad, bro.
Alright, and cool, look at him.
Good.
Remember me on a TikTok, you know? If you always remember that, you know. And I don't think fix that, remember? Rose.
Yeah.
Me I tell them say before they come argue with them, remember say me on a TikTok and me a problem.
So what argue with you?
Now the one that the my name early this morning, bad man. Early this morning me get up me see man for my name. When me go up on active screen record page. Mr. King doing that for my name. Mr. Sonia. Mrs. Sonia. Queen Donia.
What he was saying?
Yeah?
What he was saying?
They say, yo, me a laugh off my friend that and me a look friend funny.
So him and Jaden did that chat to you?
Like to him go and Jaden a waste man, bro. I look about him, Jaden, gonna come and box him up, and that me how do. I'm gonna come and shot him 2 boxes in his face.
So where there?
They go about my business. Remember say they say me can't come out, you know, so I have to come out and I go and crash out upon them in idea upon them and show them. Right now, me come a road, look back. Watch them go to them blood clot. Then go on rap. You go and pay me.
What shot? But one get a leg and some beef. So one Blamdem.
Eh?
What, baby?
They